Hello guys, welcome to our channel.
What are we gonna do today?
Today we're gonna do elephant toothpaste. We already did this, but today we're gonna do a different version.
Different version from elephant toothpaste?
Yeah. That one we use yeast, right? That one we use yeast, right? And then this one we're gonna use potassium iodide.
Oh, what's the difference between yeast and potassium iodide? What's gonna happen to the reaction?
The elephant toothpaste, it goes a bit high, but this one, it's gonna go even higher.
Oh, that's interesting. And now we're gonna use this giant flask.
This is mine.
This is yours?
Yes.
So we're gonna have the small ones.
No, you're gonna have this one.
And you're gonna have this one? Is it okay for you? Okay.
Mommy,
and now?
Now we should wear our gloves.
We should wear gloves. Wait, Leo, I'm gonna help you.
It's the exact same thing, but it's.
I'm gonna give you the small one.
The catalyst is different. Safety first.
Yeah, so kids, don't forget you should wear your gloves and your glasses. And also, if you want to watch our first version of elephant toothpaste, it's on our YouTube channel. You can
add distilled water.
Distilled water. What is distilled water?
It's water that has no minerals or anything.
Okay.
Now,
how much we should put here?
25 ml.
Okay.
25. That's it.
That's it.
Now
we're gonna do the second one. Sorry, it's a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna put the second one.
Second one.
See, Leo. Leo, what is this?
Distilled water. Distilled water.
Okay, it's distilled water. Okay, we'll put like this. Okay, and here we're gonna put it for the giant flask, right?
100.
Okay, 100. We're gonna put 100. Okay.
Now we're gonna add potassium iodide.
Potassium iodide, okay. How much we're gonna put for the small one?
The small one. One small spoon.
One small spoon, okay.
Yeah, like that much. And then, but we have to put more for this one.
Yeah, this one.
2 big spoons. That's it. Now I'm gonna use my mixing stick. With my mixing.
Yeah, now you can mix it.
Now it's cold, right?
Ooh, it's too cold actually.
Yeah, this is
Leo?
endothermic reaction. When you do it, it turns cold because it like traps the heat in there and doesn't let it go out.
Okay. Leo, did you touch it? See? It's too cold here. See?
Mine is all done.
Right? Yeah, it's too cold. But you said already that we have to, it should be in room temperature, right?
Yeah.
Just to start the reaction. Okay. So now we have here distilled water with potassium iodide, okay?
We can explain stuff until this turns into room temperature.
Okay. So we're gonna keep it
So now
here.
we're gonna use hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah, this one is stronger because its concentration is 35%.
So that's why you should be careful.
Yeah.
Please.
This one's stronger.
It doesn't have to touch your skin. It's gonna irritate it. Okay, what we're gonna do now?
Now we're gonna pour it in the flasks.
Leo, do you know what hydrogen peroxide is? What is it?
H2O2.
Wow, good. How did you know that? You saw this? Okay, so how much we're gonna put from hydrogen peroxide?
For you, 20 ml, and for me, for me,
See? it looks just like water.
But it is not.
It's not water. Yeah, it has extra oxygen.
And for me, I need 100 ml.
No, I'm gonna take the giant flask.
No, the giant flask is mine. This is yours. You have to switch because this one is mine.
Okay, let's do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. I wanted the big one.
I'm too good, that's why.
Okay.
Which one has you? Enough!
Yeah. It's enough.
Let's change the places. Mine. There you go.
Take.
Haha.
This is hydrogen peroxide.
It's raining hydrogen peroxide in the flask.
Okay, now what we're gonna put, this is the fun part. Now we're gonna put,
I want blue.
yeah, you want blue? Okay.
I also want blue.
Take Leo, put blue inside your flask.
But
Yeah.
I need some blue. Come on.
Okay.
Make it touch the glass.
More, Leo, put more.
Put more. I need some.
Come on, yeah. 1 second. Okay.
on.
Wow. Also, you want blue color?
Yes. It's my favorite color.
Okay, for me, I'm gonna take the orange.
I'm gonna mix them together. Right?
I'm gonna pour it just like this without the pipette.
Right? Mommy! Right?
Yeah, what do you want?
Right? Right? And... Right.
You put too much.
Now I want some orange. Need some orange.
Orange? Why you want some orange? Wow.
Mommy!
See what he did?
Mommy!
Yeah. We're gonna clean it. Where are you
Drop some in there. Mommy,
What are you doing?
I'm doing something.
Yeah. More.
Gonna make some. You're making pepper? No, that's not even how you make it. What are you doing then? Nothing. Trying to cover the blue lines with
Okay,
the...
come. You have to see. Come, see Faris what she's doing. See what the color is?
It's tiger.
What's your color?
Blue.
Blue,
Yay.
and mine is orange. So now, after we put food coloring, Leo, look what you did! It's all mess. Okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. No, now.
Now we're gonna use soap to trap the oxygen and make it bubbly and foamy.
We're gonna have bubbles. Okay.
That's enough, I think. Now this is
Okay, no.
enough.
I'm gonna put for Leo. Okay. Only this. Okay, now.
Now we stir it.
Swirling.
Swirly.
Swirling. Be careful, Leo.
Swirly. Boop.
Swirling.
This is how I will swirl.
What do you do? Okay,
Mine has
to the
like
right. Wait, to the right. 1, 2, 3, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I have to. We're gonna do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mine is on.
Be careful because
Mine
it
is
doesn't have to touch your skin.
Okay, now we're gonna add the carrots.
So now it's the fun part?
Yeah.
Wait. We should prepare. We're gonna move everything because it's gonna be
But it's still but now it's fun time.
really.
Nice.
Ooh, that happened so fast. Leah, you have the coolest color ever. Wow, this is blue.
This is how Iron Man does it.
Okay, come on.
Guys, so now the extra oxygen is released. So now somewhere in here, in this all of this foam, we have water.
This is soapy water.
Yeah,
Wow.
but somewhere there's water which is not soapy. You use a microscope. There's bubbles.
Be careful. Yalla.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
To Paris Curious Lab.
Whee! No, it's have to be bigger.
1 second. That's gonna be a big one.
Whee!
Oh my god.
Welcome to Faris' Curious Lab.